Welcome to all to YouTube channel Mass Insights. In this video, again I came with a different and important topic which is useful for all classes. That is, what are the different forms of a line? Shall we? Before going into the topic, you have to know what is meant by a straight line. Then we will learn how many forms of lines are there. Those forms are very important for all classes. I will explain all these forms with the detailed examples. Shall? Yes. Actually, a straight line is a line which don't have any curve or bend. And in other words, a straight line is a geometrical object which has no breadth, but it will extend infinitely in both the directions. Okay? And again, if you want to say in simple terms, a straight line is an equation in the terms containing x and y. If any point p x comma y satisfies the given equation, then that point is said to be on the line. For example, I am taking, see, this is a straight line. As I said, it can be extended infinitely on both directions. This arrow mark shows that there is no end in this direction as well as in this direction also. Generally, the straight line is nothing but combination of points. In this straight line, you may find infinite number of points. If you join those points, then you will have a line, a straight line like this. Every point on the line is generally denoted by using a capital letter. As just I said that I am taking a point called P whose coordinates are x comma y. The coordinates x comma y, again question arises, what is this and what is this y? Generally, if you take some numbers for these x and y, these 2 is x coordinate and 3 is y coordinate. You know that every plane, every even plane, even this board is also called a plane, even surface. That surface is divided into 4 parts called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. See, you call this horizontal line and this is vertical line. This is called y-axis, this is called x-axis. X-axis again is a straight line, y-axis is also a straight line. To take the references, you are using these two straight lines. They meet at a point, again point is coming. Point is a dot which can you put as sharp as you can. So, since that is a point, I am representing it with O. Now, if I represent a point 2, 3 here, that is 2 units away on x-axis, positive x-axis. See, these are the positive numbers on x-axis. When you go backward from origin, those are called negative numbers. Similarly, this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis. We are taking these two axes as a reference. I am putting a point called P whose coordinates are 2, 3 means it is 2 units away on x-axis from the origin. So 2 units means here and 3 units away on y-axis from the origin. If you go from here and here, it will meet here. This is the point called P. So Coming back to our main topic, straight line. To find equation of straight line, if you take any 2 points, as I said, there are infinite number of points on the straight line. If you take any 2 points, then you can find the equation of the line. This is very simple also. So, forms of a straight line. Forms of a straight line. The first one is general form. This is also called standard form of a straight line. That can be written as standard, okay, or general form of a straight line. That is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here a comma b comma c are constants and x comma y are variables. These a comma b should not be 0. If they will become 0, then only constant exists. That is not a equation of straight line. That's why care should be taken. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is the general or standard form. For example, if you write any example, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the main and standard equation of a straight line. These a, b, c, as I said, are constants. Coming to the second form of a line, that is point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. When you have a point on a line and the slope is given, again the point arises, what is a slope? Slope can be measured by using tan theta. Slope m is equals to tan theta, where this theta is the angle made by the straight line with the positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Now I am taking a straight line here, okay. This is the positive x-axis. Anti-clockwise direction means here you have to move like this. Then there will be some space between the positive x-axis and the straight line. This space is called angle and that is represented with theta. If you measure that theta with a trigonometric ratio tan, then you will get slope m. And also slope can be measured when the 2 points are given. We will discuss it later. Coming to this point slope form of a straight line. When this is used, when you have to have point and slope. Point means you may take x1 comma y1 and slope is m. Then the equation is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. This x1 comma y1 is the point on the line and m is the slope of the line. They will give you the slope and the point x1 y1. If you substitute those values, you will easily get this point slope form of a straight line. Is it, my dear students? Are you getting? I think so. Third one is 2 points form. 2 points form. Okay. See, the name itself says 2 points. When any 2 points on a straight line are given, let those points are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. See, I am taking a point A whose coordinates are x1 comma y1 and another point, let it be B, whose coordinates are x2 comma y2. You may take whatever, you may take here and here also, here and here also. If you have 2 points, you can find the equation of this straight line. Now 2 points means y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line when any 2 points on the straight line are given. There is no difference, actually there is a slight difference between these two forms. Here in the place of m I am writing y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So you have to understand that when 2 points on a straight line are given, you can calculate the slope by using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, just replacing m with the formula. Okay, this is the third form. Coming to fourth form of straight line, slope intercept form. Actually this is point slope intercept form. This is called slope intercept form, means they will give you slope which is m and intercept y intercept. Then the equation is y is equals to mx plus c. Again the question arises, what is meant by intercept? It's very simple. X intercept or y intercept, both are the distance at which the point is cutting x-axis, that is x intercept, and the distance from the origin where the line is cutting y-axis. Suppose, see, this right line is cutting x-axis here, let it be 1.5, then this is called x intercept. Okay, you may represent it as a, and this is the distance from origin to the point where the line is cutting, touching, intersecting. This distance is called y intercept and this distance is called x intercept. When y intercept and slope is given, where here particularly c represents y intercept and m represents slope. When c and m are given, if you substitute those values here, definitely that will become the equation of the line in slope intercept form. Next one is fifth one, two intercepts form. That is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Here the name itself says that two intercepts. Two intercepts means x intercept is 1 and y intercept is 1. Here x intercept is a and y intercept is b. When a and b values are given and if you substitute in this equation, then you will get the equation of a straight line whose two intercepts are a and b. This is also very important. Coming to last one, most of the students may not know about this one. This form of the line is called normal form. Okay, normal form of a straight line is x into cos beta plus y into sin beta is equals to 1. Generally most of you may not listen about this one, but what is beta here? Beta is the angle made by a perpendicular drawn from the line to the origin. I am taking x-axis, y-axis. I want to find the equation of this line. Now what I said, from the origin I have to draw a normal. Normal is the line which makes 90 degrees. See, the angle made by this normal with positive x-axis is beta. If you know this beta, then you can find the equation of this line by using the formula called x into cos beta plus y into sin beta is equals to 1. These forms are very useful. I am thinking that this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, share it, like it, and encourage me to do more videos.